The study, completed by the independent firm Alexander Weiss Consulting, found that the Sheriff's Department is adequately staffed and made various recommendations, including creating a more efficient work schedule and changing the policy in regards to answering false alarms and 911 hang-ups. Dr. Alexander Weiss says the study only looked at patrol staffing and used data from the Mesilla Valley Regional Dispatch Authority and the county. Weiss says he had limited access to information because the sheriff declined to participate.
I didn't have access to the Sheriff's Department. And in many communities, there's some friction between the folks who pay the bills, for example, and some operating agency, because they have different roles, right? But generally, they'll conclude, they'll collaborate and decide, well, we're going to bring someone in to help us answer these questions. And then at the end, you get the answers.
Weiss says this is the first time the law enforcement agency he was studying declined to participate. County Commissioner Wayne Hancock says it's important to know the needs of the county going into budgets.
My understanding of the study was that we have adequate staffing, but the sheriff had come in here and said we need 220 deputies. Well, now we know that that's, even with this limited amount of data, that's not accurate. And that's what we need. If we're going to make budgeting decisions and we're going to talk about budgets, we need to have facts to deal with.
Doña Ana County Sheriff Enrique Kiki Vigil says the information in the report is inaccurate, and the Sheriff's Department is understaffed. Vigil says he declined to participate in the study because he felt county management purposely hired a firm that frequently recommends cutting law enforcement staff.
I know there have been questions about the consultant. Did he first initially contact the sheriff on this? Yes, he did. I didn't participate in this because we did some research on Mr. Weiss, the consultant, and we knew what he had done before to other municipalities. My staff were at liberty to participate in the study. He could have reached out to them, but he didn't.
Vigil says the County Commission shouldn't be telling him how to manage his department. County Commissioner Ben Rawson says he's concerned about the possibility of inaccuracies in the study.
I think it was a waste of county funds. I'm disappointed in the way the individual was selected to do the study. I don't think that the goal was to help Doña Ana County be better or help the Sheriff's Department be better. I think the goal was very one-sided, and it's the continued escalation that we've seen for 2 years between the chairman and the sheriff.
Sheriff Vigil says he will look at the recommendations in the study, but doesn't know which, if any of them, he will implement. For KRWG, I'm Samantha Sonner.